Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carson. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow it out. Good job. There you go.
There you go, Bubby. Eat it. No, watch out.
Go duck first.
Okay.
Well, it's not really very. I mean, it's edible,
Oh,
but,
here we go.
It's so cute. I
Ciao,
want to
buddy.
keep it. Oh. Lily ate the head.
Lily ate the head and really hit the core.
And I wanted to keep it. It was so cute. Oh,
There we go. There's one.
Oh.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
There's another one.
Yummy.
I know.
That one was cute.
Denver, no, that's.
Oh.
I don't want you messing with it.
Oh,
No!
here. You can have it by. Honey, look at that big giant cake over there we're going to cut up.
That one was cuter. This is
Come on, go for it.
Oh, Dylan,
Nice.
nice.
Oh, yeah.
Go for it, dude.
Right to the cake part, man. Don't eat all that
Just let him be. Just let him be.
Okay, okay. Well, he's not going to get to do it too long. He's going to get a sugar high.
Do you know what my first one for you?
Take a chunk out and help him take a fork, take a chunk out, and then he'll start digging into it. Oh, she.
It was a black
He's fine.
I just want him to have some cake because he's not going to get too much. He's just going to get a little.
Well, why'd you make him such a big cake then?
Well, I don't know.
My,
It's the smallest round.
Denver, get out from under there. You're going to pull the whole tablecloth off there.
and of course he's
That was Denver. Denver didn't even touch his smash cake. He just looked at it like, I'm not touching that.
just kind of looked at it.
That's gross.
Honey, that's.
Oh, don't.
It needs to have stuff
Oh,
in the bottom. And
Yeah, eat it out that's falling down there.
Oh, yeah, yummy. Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised he's not two-handing it and then sticking his face in it.
Yeah, like he does that food.
we're gonna have some cake in
He's
here.
like,
Going to where the duck
Watch
I know.
it. I want to get a picture. Look, he gets.
Few more minutes, mister, and then you're done.
Charger with you or not?
When you were little.
There you go. Yeah, there's digging in the middle.
He wants to go to that one spot where the he just likes the one spot where the duck
Okay, mister. Doug, he cannot eat all that
sugar's
frosting.
kicking in,
Yeah, no doubt.
He's going, he says, I got a feeling they're going to take it away soon. Hurry!
You better hurry up, buddy.
He's almost done.
Oh, yeah, look at his face now.
Oh,
Yep, lick it off. Get him something to drink.
No more
He
cake.
needs,
You're a lot
yeah,
more
he needs
fun
more.
to watch than Denver was.
Get him something to drink.
Cake. There you go.
There, we got her now.
Carson, I distracted her. Hurry. Eat it. Go.
Hurry for mom comes
Yeah, you're done as soon as mom gets back, so you better hurry.
Yeah, watch this. As soon as she pulls that away.
Yeah.
Here, eat
Oh,
right there. Eat that one right there. Get that. Yeah, get that one. Oh, yeah, get that
We
one.
got one big, huge piece
Oh, yeah.
That's all you get.
He got ya.
Well, milk?
of this today. You can't get the whole thing in. It's okay, we're done.
Oh, yeah, look at him. He's like,
How am I
wait a
gonna pick
second.
Look at his face.
How do I get that to my mouth?
Face
That's
for
all he
me.
gets to eat? That's a little bit.
Yeah.
You did your first birthday proud, honey. Look, he's still.
Oh.
Okay, let's cut this one up. Mom, you want to do ice
You
cream?
did that when you were little.
Bet you that milk tastes good, don't it?
Yeah, we're going to do our
Yeah, wash it down. So I can have more.
Yeah.